Tired of seeing that dreaded "this site can't be reached" message in Chrome? Let's squash that error and get you back online with these quick and easy troubleshooting steps. First things first, make sure your internet is actually working. Check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure your router is properly connected and powered on. If other devices can't connect either, the problem lies with your internet service provider, so give them a call if your internet is up and running. Our next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, navigate to More Tools, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Select All Time from the Time Range drop-down, and then click Clear Data. Sometimes, Chrome extensions can interfere with websites. Disable all your extensions by heading to Chrome Extensions in the address bar and toggling the switch next to each extension. Try accessing the website again after disabling them, and if it works, re-enable your extensions one by one to find the culprit. If the problem persists, it might be related to your DNS settings. Try flushing your DNS cache by opening the command prompt, then enter config/flush DNS and press enter. This will reset your DNS settings. Still no luck? As a last resort, consider resetting Chrome to its default settings. Navigate to Settings, then Reset and Clean Up, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This will disable extensions and clear temporary data. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has resolved the "this site can't be reached" error, and you can browse the web without any more interruptions.